Bhratrun. Bhratrun means the brothers. It is all in plural. Brothers. Who are the brothers? Very simple thing. How many brothers were there? 100 and? So Arjuna is seeing 105, 106, 107 and so on. You can tell he saw quite a good number of brothers. This brother or bhratru, bhrata comes from the root verb bhraj dhatu. Bhrajate, vibhrajate, bhraj dhatu. The root verb is bhraj, means to shine, to be glorious. So, if you have a little bit money, or if people have little bit money, they walk in a different way. If one has more money, he walks in a different way. If one has little knowledge, he walks in a different way. If one has little more knowledge, so knowledge, money, worldly success gives little bit glamour to us. It is said that, it is in the Bible also, the similar incident happened really. In the Bible, if you are invited to a royal dinner, you should come with the royal dress. If you go in ordinary dress, you will not be allowed to go there. There is a story. There was a mystic and a poet in the Middle East. He was invited by the local ruler to come to a party. So when he went, his clothes were not proper. So the gatekeeper did not allow him. When the gatekeeper pushed him away, he came back and this dinner is in his honor. So he came and he saw his friend. The friend saw and told, where are you going? This dinner was for you. He said, yes, but nobody allowed me. He said, do one thing. I'm giving you some good clothes you put in. So he put some good clothes on him and then he went. Immediately the gatekeeper allowed him. When he allowed him, he went inside. So when he inside, the food was served. He took the food and stealing the dress, eat. King saw what he's doing. He behaves like a crazy mad person. He's taking the food, not eating. He's telling the tunic or the coat or jacket, eat this. The king asked, my friend, I can't understand your behavior. He said, my friend, it is the honor given to these clothes, not to the person. When I was coming with my regular clothes, I was not allowed to come here. I came here because of these clothes. When I came to these clothes, we came with these clothes, I thought this food is for these clothes, it is not for me. So, bhrata, bhratrun, from bhraj dhatu, that is shining, glamorous, anything that makes you a little bit happy, proud or glamorous, anything. Do you know, I was a primary school student. When I was a primary school student, I did a mistake. The mistake was, I burnt my leg myself. So I had to stay at home over a month because my leg was completely burnt. And don't ask me, why did I burn my leg myself? Was I not stupid? So after I was a little bit cured, I went to the school. And they gave me a progress report. They used to give after some terminal test. So they have given in different subject how much marks, some points I have got. At the end it is written the position in the class. It is written first. That was my life's first progress report. So what I did, I read it. I was really sad. Do you know why? Because I read the position in the class first. That means my position should go to class first, not to class 4. I was studying in standard 4. I thought I should go to standard 1. So I came back hiding that paper in my notebook, and below it is written, you have to sign it from your parents and return it the next day in the school. what to do? How can I show this to my parents that my position has gone from class 4, standard 4 to standard 1? What I did, I wanted to request my eldest brother. I told, I will tell you something you should not tell anybody. Very bad news. He said, what bad news? I said, look, I got a report. In the report it is written that you should go to class 1 and study again. He said, what? I can't believe, because he knew about me. You will go to class 1 and to study in class 1 again. Let me see this report. I said, don't tell parents. They will be really upset. I have burnt my leg. 1 month, no school. Now I went to school to go back to school. So he saw, and I saw, he became glorious. His face was so cheerful. He said, look, show this paper. Today we'll have sweets. I said, for what? Because I go to class 1. He said, you do this, you will see. I saw he's so happy to see this paper. This is Bhrajate, Vibhrajate. The brother is excited, but not me. However, the brothers, they give lots of strength to you. There is a beautiful verse in Sanskrit that if you lose someone, what happens to you? If you lose your father, if anybody loses the father, I don't tell you lose. Okay, if anybody loses the father, pita hataha dasa digandhakaraha. Pita hataha dasa digandhakaraha. When the father is lost or father is no more, the 10 directions become dark. Because he was taking all the responsibility, now it comes to you. Mata hata jivha rasala sunya. Mata hata jivha rasala sunya. When the mother is lost, mother is gone, who will think of your food? From childhood, the mother is feeding you. Once you go to a mother, first the mother will think, look, how is your health? The food which you like, the mother wants to give the same food. The child, even the child is grown up. Bhrata hataha dakshina bahucheda. If the brother is lost, then as if you lost your own right arm, right hand. So he is such a great support and help. Patni hata. If the wife is gone, not to marry again. Patni hata danda kamandalena. Be a monk. But nowadays, if one is gone, then one thinks, who will cook for me, and so on.